Hello, in this tutorial I'll show you how to contact support on Indeed. How do you do that? The first thing I'd like you to do is to launch your Indeed account. And how do you create one? Launch any browser of your choice, and then from your browser locate the search bar, which is usually at the top corner of the screen. Once you're in the search bar, type Indeed.com, and that's going to take you to the official website. Right there, follow the on-screen prompts to create your account. And once you're done creating your account, it's going to take you to this fantastic homepage where you can now explore a lot of activities to have a great time on Indeed. Now that we're here, let's hop into today's subject, is how to contact support on Indeed. So head over to the top corner of your screen where you're going to find three icons representing diverse features. So click on the profile icon. You're going to see an extended menu that says profile, my jobs, my reviews, settings, and help center. So go ahead and click on help center, and then you're going to see this. So here are questions that you can ask. How do I do this? How do I do that? Job ads and all of this, like many more. All right, so let's say I want to click on screen reader compatibility. You can just click on any of that again. So scroll the way down of this no concern. So need more help. Now click on submit a request. So no. So because we need more help, scroll the way down and then click on still have questions. So we still have more questions. So you say, what should we know? Then you can now tell them what you want. It doesn't really have to be within this topic. So just reach out to them, let them know your issue. That if your issue is not been listed there, you just want to contact them privately and just speak with them. So just tell them what the issue is, and then what device are you seeing this issue on, state it, and then upload one file for each support ticket up to. Alright, so you can upload any file, alright, that supports the particular issue that you're going to. Let's say a screenshot of your issue, alright, using any of this JPG, PNG, PDF, and then click on send email. So once you click on send email, it's going to take Indeed will receive your email, and then they'll get back to you. They'll respond to you via email. So ensure that you check your email to see if you've gotten a response. This is how you can contact them directly. Now you can go over this tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps. And once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this video marvelously helped your search.